Okay, let's just make sure that we get all the dimensions correct here. I'm just doing, and then the opening that we have. So I'm just making sure that the openings are correct here. Okay. Okay, so that's the layout now. So now we can now lay the U channels. So to lay the U channels, we need to have some guide here. The first guide is the U channel is 12 mm. Inside is magnesium, so that's a 12 mm. I'm going to draw this guide all the way to that MgO, and then similarly then what's the guide on this one here? The best reference is, let me show you the list of the parts. So for this MgO board C1, C2, C3, these are the boards that will be connected here, 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 and there. Okay, that will be the boards connected. So we need to make sure that the parts are what is indicated. Now for the C channel, we can see that we have 14 pieces of this, so that means that's the full size, 244 mm, and then they pre-cut this 200 mm and 400 mm and 300 mm, and then also this 110 or 1100 mm or 110 cm. So I'm just going to show you where all of this will go in. So the first thing is that on this full, we'll be using 2 of them on the bottom plate. So let's actually do that. So I have shown here, and the first thing to do is mark where you're going to put the bottom plate. So from this edge here, go ahead and mark, we got 12 plus 50, that's 62. Let's go ahead and mark 70. That's 70 there, 70. And that becomes, that's a guide. I'm not going to go, well, let me just go. That's a guide there. And make sure that so you lay from 70 from that MgO board to there. That's 70. So let's do that first. So now let's bring in this U channel, a full-size U channel, and I'm going to grab it right there on the corner and then bring it to where I will lay it. I will lay it there. You can see there's a 12 mm and a 7 mm guide. Okay? So once we got that, once we lay the next one, or let's grab the next full size. That's the full size. I'm going to grab it and lay it on the slab. And I'm just going to put it right up. Not what I want. It's what I want. Oh. Let me grab it there. Right there. There now. So as you could see, this would actually be way past the MGO plate. So we need to cut this portion and we need to lay this 12 mm. That's the guide here, and let me just do that, and I'm going to measure how much do I need to cut. So from there to there is 82 mm. So I'm just going to cut 82 mm from here, and by doing this step, it is as if I'm cutting. I'm going to cut 82 mm. Okay. So there it is. So we lay the first two U channels at the back, and